When it comes to adding warmth and timeless charm to your home, nothing works better than rustic wooden decorative items. Herb sparkles. These pieces are not only stylish but also bring a natural, cozy feeling to any space. Rustic wooden decor has the power to transform modern homes into welcoming retreats by blending raw textures with elegance. From hand-carved wooden wall art to farmhouse-style shelves, every item tells its own story. You can style your living room with wooden candle holders, trays, or bowls to create a warm atmosphere. In the kitchen, rustic wooden spice racks or cutting boards add both functionality and beauty. Bedrooms look stunning with wooden photo frames, mirrors with wooden borders, or even bedside organizers crafted from reclaimed wood. The beauty of rustic wooden decor lies in its versatility. It looks just as gorgeous in a minimalist apartment as it does in a farmhouse-style home. Each piece, whether polished or distressed, carries a unique texture that elevates the interior. If you want your home to reflect comfort, nature, and timeless design, rustic wooden decorative items are the perfect choice. They are not just decor pieces but also investments that last for years, keeping your home stylish and soulful.